Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was craving for a zinger burger at 2 am in the night and I thought instead of ordering, I'll make it at home. Let's see how I made it with only few ingredients. First step is to marinate the chicken. We need to marinate the chicken with 1 to 2 tablespoons of a black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of a red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of a dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of a red chili sauce, and at the end squeeze a lemon, add a pinch of a salt, and then add 1/4 cup of a milk. Give it a good mix and let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes. After marinating the chicken for 30 minutes, we will move forward to the next step. First, you have to dip the chicken to a bowl of a milk and then take it out from the milk and add it to the all-purpose flour. Coat the entire chicken thoroughly with the flour and then you have to repeat the process again. Dip it in the milk and then add it to the all-purpose flour. You have to do the same process to all the leftover chicken. Do it one by one and don't dip it all together. And that's it guys. Now you need to fry the chicken in a medium flame. Don't fry the chicken in a very hot flame, it will burn. Fry the chicken in a medium flame. Now just look at the beautiful golden color of the chicken. Fry and keep it aside. Meanwhile, chop some vegetables. You can choose veggies of your own choice. And now it's time to assemble everything together. Take a mini burger bun, cut it into 2 halves, and then spread the garlic mayonnaise over it. Zinger Burger is the most loved fast food burger ever. It has become everyone's favorite worldwide. This recipe is so simple and will satisfy your midnight craving. If you're hungry at 2 am, you can cook this Zinger Burger just like I did. If you want a tangy flavor, you can add ketchup at this point, but I have skipped the ketchup. Now you have to top it up with the chopped or sliced veggies. I know few people who doesn't like tomatoes in their burger, but I personally love it. Let me know in the comment section if you like tomatoes or if you don't like it. Okay guys, so now let's get back to the recipe. Now add the fried chicken, crispy, spicy and juicy chicken inside a burger bun. What else do you need from a burger? This Zinger chicken is crispy from the outside and juicy from the inside. This one is going to make your mouth water. The best part here is assembling the burger. Once you're done assembling the chicken, then it's time to top it up with the cheese slice. When it was time to place a cheese slice over the chicken, the cheese already started melting. Place each cheese slice at the top. Once you're done placing cheese on top, then you can add some Italian seasoning over it or spice of your own choice. And that's it guys. Now you have to microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes so that the cheese melts completely. And then your easy chicken Zinger Burger will be ready to be served. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching the Zinger Burger recipe, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And press the bell icon so that when I upload a new video, you will be the first one to watch it.